Let's talk about blending or getting connection or linking of consonant to vowel. In most cases, the last consonant of a word or phrase gets connected or gets blended to the next beginning vowel of a next word or phrase. Let's take an example of this word. Instead of saying get out, we're going to say get out, get out. In some cases, the held T in the last word out is killed. Let's say get out of here, get out of here. Instead of saying get out of here, we're going to say get out of here. Let's take another example. Instead of saying get up, we're going to say get up.